In this video, I will show you how to play Realm of Mystery on PC. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Realm of Mystery is a strategy game which has been developed by Blizzard. It is set in a medieval world fueled by magic, and there are several challenging quests and foes waiting to thwart your efforts. But the game gives you access to supernatural weapons and arcane spells, giving you a chance against these obstacles. Realm of Mystery is available as an Android game, but it is absolutely possible to play this on PC using something called BlueStacks. BlueStacks is an Android emulator, so what that means is it basically allows you to play Android games on your PC or even your Mac. To get started, what you're going to want to do is come and click on the link, which will be in the description below this video, and that's going to take you to a website like this. From here, you're going to see a blue play button to play Realm of Mystery on PC. Give that a click to download the BlueStacks installer onto your PC, and once that's downloaded, click on it and run through the steps to install BlueStacks on your PC. Here we are back on my desktop. As you can see, BlueStacks has now finished installing, so at this point all you need to do is click the blue launch button. What that's going to do is launch BlueStacks, and if you did click on the link in the video description down below, it's actually going to take you directly to the download page for Realm of Mystery. Now at this point you're going to see an install from Google Play button. Give that a click, and what should happen, it should now take you across to a screen like this where you've got the install button. So just go ahead, click install. What it's going to do is get everything ready and start downloading and installing Realm of Mystery on BlueStacks so you can play that on your PC. Just while that is downloading, I just want to run through some things about BlueStacks, why I personally love BlueStacks, and of course why you're going to love BlueStacks too. Now to start with, one thing I want to personally mention, which is great for myself, is the opportunity to play with your keyboard and mouse. So for myself, I really don't like touch screens. I prefer to use a keyboard and mouse and even a gamepad, and BlueStacks allows you to do this. So it allows you to play Android games using a keyboard and mouse or even a gamepad, which is supported for most games. The controls are already preset good to go, but you can customize them to your personal preferences if you want to. Another thing I really like about BlueStacks is the built-in macro feature. So this allows you to record and replay actions with just a single key press. So some games, when they've got those tasks where you have to keep dragging and dropping and things like that, that can all now be assigned to just simply press a single key on your keyboard and complete the task, instead of constantly having to drag and drop things and keep doing repetitive tasks in certain games. The built-in eco mode helps to optimize PC usage when running multiple instances, so you can ensure that your CPU is going to be optimized to run BlueStacks at the best possible performance. One thing that's really cool about BlueStacks is the built-in real-time translation feature, which is a feature that allows you to play any Android game in your local language. So if there's games that have come out that are exclusive to other countries and you've been wanting to play them but you can't due to language barrier reasons, well, with the built-in real-time translation feature from BlueStacks, it is now absolutely possible to play any Android game in the world, which is going to be translated in real time to your local language, which is actually really, really cool. Of course, playing on a PC is going to give you a much higher frame rate, so enabling higher frame rates gives you a much smoother gameplay experience. As you can see, you're going to get just an overall better experience, which I'll show you in a minute once the game has finished installing. Of course, not to mention, you'll be able to play your Android games in full HD, which is a big plus, and there's just a number of really cool features and benefits I could go through in this, but that's just a couple of the things that I personally love about BlueStacks and why I would recommend downloading BlueStacks to play Android games on your PC or Mac. So here we are. As you can see, we're just on the intro movie now, and again, as you can see, the intro is very, very smooth, it's very sharp, and it's just so much better playing on a bigger screen. Of course, I got my mouse here, which I can use to control, so if we come up to the top, and I'm just going to skip past this now and jump into the game itself. Now, as you can see, the game itself, again, is running really, really well. It's very smooth, the animations, there's no sort of hardly any lag at all. In fact, there's practically no lag. So what I'm going to do, as you can see, I'm using my mouse to just click through. We can use our mouse no problem at all to control the in-game. What you can do is hold down Shift and Tab, as you can see from the tutorial, and what it's going to do is actually display any on-screen controls. You can also do that from the menu on the right-hand side, and it's just a ton of things you can do as well, such as taking screenshots, cameras. You can see all these controls on the right-hand side, which all do different things. So that's how to play Realm of Mystery on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.